Open the SIA Connect official website. Select Install SIA Connect anywhere natively on Linux. Click Download SIA Connect Linux installer to download the installation package. Download SIA_connect_linux_install_script.zip and import it into BL410 using a USB drive. Enter unzip SIA_connect_linux_install_script.zip to decompress the file. After decompression, we'll get two files, SIA-connect-installer-linux. and user_scripts. Enter chmod plus x SIA-connect-installer-linux. to grant execution rights to the shell script. Enter /SIA-connect-installer-linux. to install. Parameters need to be entered during the installation process. When the first parameter enter password to use for the SIA Connect installation appears, enter the password for SIA Connect installation. The second parameter appears. Please repeat password. Repeat the previous password. For the remaining parameters, enter Y. Wait for the installation to complete. Enter IP plus port 80 in the browser to get the activation code. Provide the activation code to the official to generate a free license for testing.